Welcome to Gemara for Children. Today we are going to begin learning the content of the first Mishnah of Masechtas Bava Metzia Perek Elu Metzios. Before we begin, I'd like to make note that we are going to be learning today and every day 5 new words from the Gemara. I highly recommend for you to buy a box of flashcards, blank double-sided flashcards where you can write on one side the word in Lashon HaKodesh with Nekudos, and on the other side to write the word in English. That way, after you finish this segment, you can take your flashcards and review the words that we've learned today. So the special mitzvah that we are going to be speaking about in our Mishnah is the mitzvah of Hashavas Aveda. Hashavas Aveda means returning a lost object. So for example, if let's say Reuven, the owner, has a wallet, and as he's walking down the street, without his intention, he drops his wallet, and now it's lost. If Shimon comes along and he finds this wallet, the big question is, what does Shimon have to do? Is he allowed to keep the wallet and everything that's inside of it because he found it? Or does he have to try and find its original owner, Reuven, and return it to him? So says our Mishnah that this will depend if the wallet has a siman. And this is word number 2. A siman means an identifying mark. That if this wallet has a unique mark that only Reuven, the owner, knows about it because he is the owner, then he can use this mark to go to Shimon and tell him that this wallet belongs to me. And how can I prove it? Because I know of such and such a siman. So says our Mishnah that if Shimon the finder sees that there's a siman on it, then he has a responsibility to do what's called hachraza. Word number 3 is hachraza. Hachraza means to announce, announcing to the world that I found such and such a wallet. And if you are the owner, then come to me, Shimon, and tell me a siman that's on this wallet, and I will return this wallet to you. Now, once Reuven, its original owner, hears that someone found his wallet, Reuven actually has 2 ways of how he can prove that this wallet belongs to him. The first way is, like we mentioned before, he can provide a siman, a unique identifying mark showing and proving that this wallet belongs to him, or he can bring what's called word number 4, Adim. Adim means witnesses. If Reuven brings witnesses that testify that this wallet belongs to him, then Shimon, once again, will have to return this wallet to Reuven, knowing that he is its rightful owner. However, our Mishnah is not going to speak about returning an item through Adim. There's many details involved in that. We're going to focus specifically on proving that the wallet belongs to the original owner with the siman. Now, the final introduction that we need to our Mishnah is that, let's say Shimon finds the wallet and he inspects it, and there is no siman, there is nothing unique about this wallet that the owner can prove that it belongs to him. So then says our Mishnah that we can assume that Reuven, the original owner, had what's called Yeush. Yeush is the 5th and final word. Yeush means abandonment. We can assume that when Reuven will discover that he lost this wallet, he will abandon any hope of ever finding this wallet and making it that this wallet is now ownerless. So Shimon, the finder, will then be allowed to keep the wallet.